Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Good morning! Today is Friday, which is why I'm so happy. It's been another manic week at work, which is why I haven't really been filming the past couple of days because there hasn't been anything happening. I just woke up, worked, had a little walk, ate something, dinner, workout, sleep. That was it. So not much happening. However, today we're gonna do a little bit of a bedroom makeover. I'm gonna change the layout of our bedroom. I get bored once in a while about how different parts of our house look, so I'm trying to bring things from different places. It's just like combine everything. So that's what we're gonna do today with the bedroom. I know exactly what I'm gonna be doing. I just hope that it will look how it looks in my mind. But before we do that, I actually have work to do as well. So it's about 9:30 now, and I'm just started working. I have a lot of tasks that need to be done today so I can enjoy my weekend and not think about this stuff. It is almost 6 o'clock. I'm done with work. It's finally Friday, so I'm done with work for the week. One thing that kind of makes me worried is that my washing machine has been washing for the past like 5 hours and this never happens. And I've tried like opening the door and obviously it doesn't open because it's blocked. So I've had to like restart the spin and drain cycle to see if it opens. But usually like this is never on at the same time, the wash and the end. Usually it's either like wash on its own or it's ready and end and then I can open it. But I can't, and I'm just scared that I might not be able to open this, and I'll see what I can do, but I really want to get this laundry out because it's been there forever. Now, even though the kitchen is messy as heck, we're gonna go upstairs and do the bedroom do the bedroom because I'm really excited for that. And I might actually take this garland thingy from the stairs and put it in the bedroom if whatever I'm trying to do is gonna work out. But now let's go and let's take a lot of the furniture out and let's reorganize and reshape and rejiggle everything. And I need my tripod and my iPad to listen to something while doing this because I believe this is gonna take a while. Is this a priority? Absolutely not. Is it something that's gonna bring me a lot of joy? Yes, and that's why I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna prioritize it. Let me show you a before. So obviously everything's quite messy at the moment, but we have the bed on this side of the room, which I love. However, I think it's missing a headboard. And I don't want to buy a headboard, and I don't want to invest anymore in this bed because we're gonna have to change the mattress. The mattress has dipped. The frame is not good either, so I don't want to invest anything anymore in this bed. We're potentially gonna replace it eventually, probably not in the near future. So, because I am really annoyed with this empty space that would fit a headboard beautifully, and I don't want to buy a headboard, I'm gonna move the bed back to where it initially was, which is there under the window. It fits that sort of positioning perfect, so it fits, like it is aesthetically pleasing and it's like right in the middle. But why I didn't like it there before is because you could see all the mess in here. However, since then, it's messy now, but since then there's so much more space in there and it doesn't look messy anymore, so I think I won't be bothered by that anymore. And I feel like this is too close to my side of the bed. This is like I wake up in these clothes, and I know this is not like issues. This is not a priority. It's just something that I've been meaning to do for a while and I didn't. So the plan is we're gonna move that thingy over here. We're gonna style it beautifully. We're gonna shift that clothes hanger thingy on there and put it like right in the wall, and then have the bed in here. And obviously the bedside tables and that will be on either side, and then I'm gonna work a little bit on this corner as well. But let's start by tidying up a little bit because I have a lot of clean laundry that I have to put back to wherever it belongs. And there's something else that I've been meaning to do for weeks, is to screw the bed. So I'm gonna try to lift the mattress and screw the bed because I don't know if you can see, or here, but it's literally like moving. We've had it for 2 years, so probably the screws have loosened in the meantime, and whenever you go onto the bed, like, you can't see it, but it moves like a lot, so we need to screw that. And this is the time to do it. Is it actually the time to do it? Probably not, but this is the time I'm going to do it. So let's start with everything, and let's empty the room, and let's do this, and let's put a podcast in the background or a Vlogmas, and let's get doing stuff.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe.
Now it's time to tackle this corner. It's just about hiding some stuff and then pulling the stuff that I want to list online and sell or donate, so that I can make some more space. But this is gonna look much better in a second. Much better. And the way it works is that in the back we have our luggage, then here we have stuff that we need to iron or like take an action and do something with. And here I've had a lot of my extra clothes. Most of them, like 80% of these, is clothes that I have on Vinted and that I want to get rid of and I want to sell. So I'm gonna do a massive discount, because I just want to get rid of all this extra clutter. Simba is also here with me, and right now I think I'm just gonna empty the room of that and the plants and try to lift the bed up to see if I can screw everything back together.
Toast, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
So much empty now. I would love an empty bedroom, and I always had a thought of how it would be like to have the bed on that side of the wall, but I think it would mess up because we don't have a lot of space over here because of the loft thingy. So I'm gonna move it back here, but let's see. And also my boyfriend just came home. He's downstairs talking on the phone, and he might be able to help me with the mattress and with the bed. So fingers crossed.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy.
Right, so we're back from our walk. We had something to eat. We watched something, a new, I think it's Japanese series. Interesting, I don't know, we'll keep on watching it. But now I'm back to this. So I've hoovered, as you've probably seen in the time lapse. I've took everything out of the bed, and now the plan is to move the bed there and this there. So I'll have to do a little bit of a Tetris move, because I have to switch everything around bit by bit so that it fits. But let's do that, and I'll put you somewhere so you can see the entire process. Right, so let's take this out. Maybe I can put them in here because I don't need them. Maybe I'll just put them here. There shouldn't be anything that goes in there, so let's hope that this is fine. There's gonna be the bed in here. Let's throw this on the bed so that we can move that. Okay. And the easiest move would be to move the bedside table over there. Let me put it on 0.5. Okay, this is much better because you can see stuff now. So, I have to drag this. Let's take this so that they don't fall. But I have to bring this over to the other wall. Oh, let's do that. But, saying that, I will also have to bring that here and the clothes rack there. So let's put this one first. Okay. Let's see if I can put it behind this because that would be ideal. And now I need to bring the clothes rack in because I'll put it there. Let me just take the Hoover out. And I'll move you so I can bring the clothes rack in there. Now let's bring this over there.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our
And these, let me take you out of, actually 0.5 is fine. This is what I wanted to achieve. It gives us more space here and it gives us a prettier view to wake up to instead of me just waking up to that in front of me. So now I'm gonna make this whole thing pretty and then put some sheets on the bed and yeah, let's see how it looks like in the end. Simba.
making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Now let's do my favorite bit, which is decorating this part and adding some plants as well.
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Right, super happy. Excuse the mess because everything else had to come somewhere else. This is all stuff that I need to get rid of. But let me introduce you to our new bedroom and its cozy vibes. Just look how much cozy this is. I forgot how much I loved this layout and why it didn't work. And I have my plants there, and they will be the first thing that I wake up to, not some rack of clothes. And then we've got the clothes here. And then if you come into the bed, this is gonna be your view. So I've put that over there, and I'm planning to add pictures and things that I'm working on. I have some paint by numbers, and oh, actually, I'm going to add this as well. Let me put it here somewhere. 1 second. Okay, this is so cool. That is our vision board, and now we can wake up and actually visualize it. And then I've got some nice moody lighting in there. I've got my perfumes and my jewelry in here for easy access. I've got a plant. I don't know if I'll keep everything the same because I need to see how it feels and if the plant's gonna be happy here. Then we got a light. I've also brought this from the stairs because I told you I didn't 100% like it. Then I have my incense holder here with an incense in it, a candle, and I don't know, it just feels so much bigger. I don't know if you can see, let me go in the corner, but it just feels so cozy, and that is exactly the mood that I was going for this winter. Maybe we'll change it in the summer, who knows, but for this winter, this is definitely what I wanted out of this room, and I'm super, super happy. So refreshing. And actually, that being said, I think it's about 10, 11 o'clock, I don't even know. I've done this for a while, but now it's done and it looks amazing. I'm super, super happy. So I will leave you for today. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. I hope you enjoyed this one. It was a little bit more engaging because I actually did something else rather than just working. But thank you so much for watching them. Anyways, I really, really appreciate it. And I'll see you tomorrow morning. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye.